Hi guys, so just two simple questions that we're going to look at today. The first type of question is to just write down a ratio, and the second one is to simplify a ratio. So hopefully you can see here we've got Amy with £3 coins, Ben with £4 coins and Cassidy with £2 coins. And the first thing we're asked is to write the ratio of Ben's to Amy's. The only thing I've got to be careful with here is to make sure I put Ben first and then Amy, like the question states. So Ben has 4 and then Amy has 3. Second one, I'm asked for Amy's and then Cassidy's. Amy to Cassidy. Amy's got 3 and Cassidy's got 2. So again, just making sure I'm putting it in the right order. The third one, I'm asked for Ben and then Cassidy. So Ben first, then Cassidy. Ben's got 4, Cassidy's got 2. Just have a think about that last one for a minute, and you might remember that this one can actually be simplified because they've got a common factor. There's a number that goes into 4 and also goes into 2, which is 2. So that's the common factor there for 4 and 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So that's my simplified answer for the third question. I've simplified 4 to 2 because I could divide them both by the same thing. Hopefully you can see on the first two questions that wasn't an option because there's no number that goes into 4 and also goes into 3, apart from the number 1, and dividing by 1 wouldn't change anything. We're going to look at a few more questions that we need to simplify now. So we're asked for purple to orange. So if I look at my counters, I have 9 purple and 6 orange. But this can be simplified. Just see if you can think to yourself now, what would the common factor be there? What's going to go into 9? That'll also go into 6. Okay, you might have realised the answer is 3. 3 goes into both of them. Okay, so I can divide them both by 3. Anything that you can divide them both by. So how many 3's in 9? Well, that would be 3. And how many 3's in 6? That would be 2. Second question, blue to green. So there are 4 blue and there are 12 green. Okay, so in this case we want to think again, what goes into 4 and also goes into 12? What's the common factor there? Now, I can think of a couple. I know 2 would go into both numbers, but there's a higher one. And choosing a higher one is better. So 4 is the highest common factor. 4 is the highest number that's going to go into both of these. So 4 goes into both of them. How many 4's in 4? 1. And how many 4's in 12? 3. So that's my simplified answer there. Last one, orange to red. So there are 6 orange and there are 3 red. Okay, so again, we're just thinking what number goes into both of those. I can't half them both because 3 is an odd number. So it's not divided by 2, but they're both in the 3 times table. So they can both be divided by 3. Okay, so final one, 6 divided by 3 is 2. And 3 divided by 3 is 1. And that's my simplified answer for that last one. Hope that's helpful.